A PCB gold finger refers to the gold-plated edge connector on a printed circuit board, PCB. These gold-plated connectors are used to connect the PCB to other electronic devices, such as a computer motherboard or a graphics card. The gold plating on the PCB gold finger is primarily used for its electrical conductivity and corrosion resistance properties. Gold is a highly conductive metal and is less prone to oxidation and corrosion than other metals commonly used in electronics. PCB gold fingers are valuable because of the gold content, which can be extracted and refined for use in other electronic components or sold as scrap metal. Extracting gold from PCB gold finger using nitric acid can be easy, but the purity of gold depends on the gold-plated gold finger. It could be 12 karat or 18 karat gold, and potentially dangerous process that requires proper safety precautions and equipment. Here are the basic steps involved. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE, including gloves, eye protection, and a respirator. Disassemble the circuit board and remove the gold finger. Use 68% nitric acid mixed with water in a 1:2 ratio. Put PCB gold finger into nitric acid mixed with water. Allow the nitric acid to separate the gold from the PCB. This can take 15 to 30 minutes. Then, filter the PCB first, allowing the gold to escape into the water. Filter the gold residue with cloth or coffee filter. Rinse the gold residue several times with distilled water to remove any remaining acid or impurities. Dry the gold residue completely before further processing or refining. Note that extracting gold from PCB gold finger using nitric acid can be hazardous, as nitric acid is a strong oxidizer and can cause burns and other injuries if not handled properly. It is important to follow all safety guidelines and consult with a professional before attempting this process. Thank you for watching the video. Hope it's useful for everyone. Don't forget to share video and subscribe in order not to miss any good news from our channel.